So if you own a couple of houses as investments and think you're pretty money savvy, here's what I'll tell you. Especially in recent years, you've had a fantastic run. But if you don't want to deal with the maintaining of multiple homes anymore, or your properties are shifting right now, it may be a good time to sell. And here's why. The last few years have been record-breaking in a lot of ways, especially for inventory, home prices, and equity. For starters, the supply of homes for sale hit rock bottom. And when supply's that low, what happens to home prices? They go through the roof. That's why equity is way up. If you're ready for a change, the last few years put you in a great spot to cash out so you can fund your next adventure. Whatever you're looking to start, maybe it's a business, take the trip of a lifetime, give your retirement a boost, or just have more free time to spend with your loved ones, this could be your ticket to make it happen. Ready to think about your next steps? Talk to a financial advisor, then let's chat about our local market.